let's see that later. So dito maraming mga sore eyes. If you can see, there are a lot of remembrance. There are a lot of things to buy. Okay? Ayan. Dito rin, may groceries. Nasaan na tayo? Where did we go? Ay, dito ba? Okay. Ayan, they have their own wines. Ayan. Saan yung, dyan yung jar factory. Okay, so guys, ito na. Kita ninyo. Ito ang ating vendas. So, marami. Companions. Ito natin ang ating mga kasukas. Nasaan na silang dalawa? Ay, mga kasorize, bilisan ninyo. Ayan.
Soy, pasok!
Alright. So, dito, so this is the place where